All right, so anyway, this is my Canon EOS 5D. I'm going to show you how to take the card out of it. So you come to, if you're looking at it from behind, you're going to go to the right side, all right? And on the right side, you're going to see these little bumps there. And I think you might be able to read that, card open. So what I've got to do is put my finger here, I pull it towards me, it pops, then I open it. And then notice the attitude. You can see it shows you how to put the CF card in. It's got a arrow pointing down with the name or the logo of the card. And there's a little gray button here. You press it, it kind of pulls the card up, and that's how you get the card out. And notice the way it goes in. It slides in like this, into that little slot. And then all you do is just give it a little tap, and to close it, you go like that. That's it. Get it out, pop, bam, Bob's your uncle. Right now I'm going to show you how to get the information off this card from a card reader. All right, set that there, and let's do it.